In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create your ebook cover using a site known as Canva.com. This is very easy to use, especially for beginners. The first step is to head onto the site and register for an account. You can either sign up with Facebook, Google, or email. When you've set up your account, you can then proceed to log into the site. When you have logged in, at the left-hand side of the site, click on Create a Design. You will then be directed to Popular Design Types, where there are various designs for you to choose from. As we are focusing on creating an ebook cover, select Ebook. On the ebook page, you are able to view a blank canvas in the middle. Then on the left-hand side, there will be several options such as Layout, Elements, Text, Background, and Uploads. First, let's explore Layout. This option includes various designs for your ebook cover. Next is Elements. This option has 9 different categories to customize your cover. This includes free photos, grids, frames, shapes, lines, illustrations, icons, charts, and I love Canva. Let's click on Free Photos, for example. There are many free photos you can choose from to insert your cover. For frames, you are also able to choose different frame types for your cover. Next is Text. Text provides you different designs for your fonts. This includes your heading, subheading, and body texts. Most importantly, many of them are free. For background, you can select any background of your choice to insert on your ebook cover. Last but not least is Uploads. Uploads enables you to upload your own images from your computer to create your cover. Now let's start creating our ebook cover by clicking on Layout. The design that you choose will appear on the blank canvas in the middle of the page. As you can see, there are layouts that are freely provided for you, and there are designs that you need to purchase. Now you need to select a design. When you've selected your design, you may also edit the captions on the cover according to your ebook content. For this video tutorial, I'll change the title to Learning to Create an Ebook on Your Own. You may also edit the author's name as well as the other minor descriptions of the cover. As mentioned before, you may also select different text styles apart from the ones readily available on the layout covers. You can also change the background according to your preference. But for this tutorial, I will stick to the original cover design provided. When you are done with your cover design, you can now download it. Click the Download button on the top of the page. You are then given a choice to save your file in JPEG, PNG, PDF, or PDF print. Select PNG, then click Download. Your file is now being saved and it will take several seconds. When it's downloaded, your ebook cover is now good to go and ready to use.